Good question, right? So, all right, so what's a spinal nerve? Spinal nerve, it's a nerve on there. So I have like, here's my little sensory neuron, sort of thing, right, coming out. Here's my little motor neuron coming out. So my neurons are nothing more than like axons from both sensory and motor neurons, right? Make up my spinal nerves for me so I can take information to my muscles and to my heart and everything else. So what do I find in my ventral root then? I'm going to find axons of motor neurons, right? It's all my motor stuff. So axons of motor neurons. What do I find in my dorsal root? Axons of sensory neurons. So just trying to like sort of pull it, like I know it's like an odd question, right, sort of thing. But so yes, my ventral root carries all of my motor commands, right? This is all motor stuff. My dorsal root carries all of my sensory information over there. So sensory in, right? Motor out. Sensory in, motor out. So spinal nerves carry both motor and sensory. Is that okay? So sensory motor, that sort of thing. Okay, what about, here's a good one too. I'm not sure if this is already done. That's from like another chapter, so we're not going to do this one. So we already did this, so S2, 3, 4, there's a question on that one again. So here's another Rami communicantes question for you. So just sort of redraw that a little bit, right? Because we added a few things on here for you. We did that crazy little thing like this the other day. Okay, so make sure you know about this too, as far as dorsal ramus. So where am I heading if I'm going through my dorsal ramus? Back. To your back. That's all I got to know. Right? This goes, here's the pathway to go to my back. I go through my ventral ramus to my front, and arms and legs. Good job. So arm, leg, that sort of thing. If I go through here, now this whole thing, that's my Rami communicantes. Where am I heading if I come through here?
Visceral.
Yeah, all of my internal organs. So the stuff that's like heart, lung, spleen, liver, gallbladder, all that internal visceral stuff. So there's a few questions about this. Make sure you know. And again, here's my white side, my white Rami. Here's my gray side over here. All right, cool. Let's see. So I already did that one for you. There's another question there. Sensory information there. That one there. So just make sure you know about how this thing synapse too, that first ganglia. Coming back this way. Don't forget that one as far as coming through the white, stopping here, and that sympathetic chain. And then I have to backtrack, right? If I'm going to go backwards to like a sweat gland in my hand or to my back. So make sure you know, it always has to have two. That's my closest ganglia. Okay. So what do you guys think? Yeah, some kind of maybe? Is that okay? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got lots of questions on that stuff. That's probably about 20 questions maybe on your exam from this stuff here. So we're kind of pretty close to it.
Can you just give the numbers and letters really quick?
Question number 13 is A. Is that's what thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's right.
Oh. I'll make sure it's right. So 13 has to be A. Okay, right down here. 13 is A. That's an unlucky question too. Number 13, right? It's a good thing to give it to you. Probably a mistake. Okay. All right. So that's for that. So maybe like run through some of the other stuff too. How about that? Just real quick. Okay. So let me just get some part of it.